ragazzi, fala abantu. Aha. Okay. I win with my fist. Every time I get this man, I blew it with my gist. When you told me, yeah, you have to push a bit. Yeah, it takes a little while to be on the team. I focus on Rex, yeah, I made out with the beats. Yeah.
Stop. Take over.
No, guys, today, Rubila another episode here today to the matter. It's African Tipsy, as you know. Koriana. So Koriana. Yeah. So then, as you know, as usual, let's all make him Namaspala, aka Sabza, the general.
Uhamba no Mambali, by the way. And today we have our guest, and she's gonna introduce herself. So, who introduce? Who
introduction.
But this is my introduction.
I have to know you.
Alright, ki ngwanana wa Lesotho mane ba re ke Shumzagirl. Empa he a birth name ke Umashomefana.
Oh, okay.
So mona staging he betha ka Shumzagirl.
Shumzagirl. Okay, Shumzagirl o shapa Koriana. So when did you start playing Koriana?
Koriana ke botse le yona sharp because I'm from the family e leng hore ebe idlala this thing.
Oh,
that's why I came familiar le yona because it's not easy.
Yeah. It's no child's play. This one.
So like ke botse le yona maybe from 6 to 10 years.
I started to want to know now Koriana is
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
Shumzagirl. Okay, now let's Shumzagirl. Today more African Tipsy. So guys, let's say what it's African Tipsy. You need to subscribe, like, and share everything because so we took Lesotho and then I twist more
To the
podcast African Tipsy. Not anywhere. I want to come alright, Shumzagirl. So Shumzagirl already started the track.
Yes, so taking the tracks and we are not taking it's out. Yeah.
So you're on the platforms?
It's staying on the platforms.
all platforms.
All over.
So now what I would like to know is what inspired you to get into this kind of music?
Okay. like I said, this thing ke hotse like ke tswa lelapeng la yona sharp because my sisters, my brothers, even my brother why later my cousins go really
Yeah, it's a family thing.
it's a family thing.
Inheritance.
So now I think I took it like a little bit seriously.
Yeah.
Because whenever then along the way, like
I want people to hear
like
this.
I'm connected to Leona, like even no born.
So you
Yeah.
made
my
it in
friend.
living. So now you
We're growing it. We have to grow it.
You know,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying, yeah.
So music ba Koriana what is genre on
Ke farm,
farm
yes. Ke farm and re na le mefuta like e mmedi. Ke farm ke farm then hona le sekauta. So farm ke o izinyana.
Okay.
So o wa sekauta ke o deep.
What's the count of ka shela poni ya
Then from farmo ntse le Sesotho sela se digma he se batlang se le bobebenyana. Then rona ka hore re youth re bana ba ka jeno re nna le se ka re Sesotho fashion.
Yeah. Because they have to understand it, right? Because some youth don't actually understand.
Yes, gonna what's going on.
Yeah.
Abututwe na ushapa mapiano ka Sesotho.
Yes. I don't know bana ba ka jeno.
Ke bana ba ka jeno ba shapa mapiano ka Sesotho.
Ke o jwe.
Ba bona ba itse ya go jala poni ya shake duno yana. Ba khathetse. Ya wele, le bona tata. O ka re ba batho ba bona ba le tsele ka ofela.
Yeah.
So what's the best part about being an artist?
The best part
of being an artist.
like you are able to kopana le batho like different
But one what we talk about screening, we don't know
yes, so it's a good feeling.
What's about
Feeling your thing.
Yes. So is it really me?
Got to know and now feel out no people are paying to see you.
You see.
Hey, that's a good part. That's a good part of it. And now people are paying just to see.
Just to see.
So now what I would like to know is like, what's the best advice you've received as an artist so far?
The best advice, what's about artist sharp is not an easy thing.
Okay.
Like, cause like you have to tshwanela o be le faith le the challenges how you have to be strong. Strong.
Because so mara ona le batho bana the big artists and all those to be le tsona so far. Maybe one will be a
No, so far,
So no, okay, now but another producer, or producer, or maybe
No,
a company or a recording company that is maybe signed with
no
or something.
No,
But now we are just in free agent.
like independent artist.
Independent artist.
If get studio, like I pay for my fees and
If you pay, good, you do everything
I
now.
do everything.
Yeah, no.
But that's the beginning. It's a good thing.
Yeah,
Go
because
champagne na buku na wow.
Happy.
La rubela. Apiga umoja. Wana leo. Passport que é sul. Eu já não. Because even lipping out,
Yes,
guys,
what's the border?
passport.
Yo.
Wow.
So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also please comment. Even if you leave a heart, like, it's very much appreciated. Hey. So as we're continuing,
I must practice. I know what yes, I let's go on. Yes, I let's go. How much money yes, you're just reading.
I still have the passport.
I get a passport. I don't know the parent. But I'm not a shiva. But I'm not a shop.
Hi, Greg.
So then you butcher this thing I'm working with working Koriana elements. One of it seems complicated. Too much buttons on it. Why not the piano? Then there's this part.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's now I'm trying to Volvo. Oh, my kid Christina. So the sound this thing determine the sound of this.
Yes. And if I'll change someone, it's a different sound. So yeah.
Oh, you must press this also and press here.
No, and it's like a setup. Like
Oh.
you change the sound. If you want a different sound,
That's
why I can now some now because like
so, but there is a school in order. Maybe a certain person can get or
yes. Lots of them.
Huh? School. I could say. That's the number of school. But it was school.
Okay, so come on, like kitty base. It's not going on kitty base.
Oh.
Yeah, so come on, we can say lead.
Oh, that's the lead.
Then
Come on, determine how money go away.
Yes.
I don't know. I'm gonna keep them with look out.
So do you have any upcoming events or shows on your list?
Yes. Kadi one in the hotel.
Okay.
Yeah, event take yona. So soon you'll Zimbabwe promise, but I shall be confirmed.
Manifestation, it must happen. It must happen.
Passport out as well with money. Yeah. Shumzagirl, guys, Shumzagirl, please, man. Let's go on. Shumzagirl on the platform of Fela. Kwashare ona monto mo Spotify. Nagi giliti Spotify get Ari. So Ari Lesotho. Ye Lesotho aslo. Ye pina siela ya masotho ya DP.
Yeah.
Gas manje. Yama 2000.
Sotho fashion.
Sotho fashion. Yeah, Sotho fashion. Ari rina le na yo korna. Sotho fashion in Sergei. Shumzagirl.
Uko na Instagram.
Everywhere, yeah.
Well, what's your handle? Like, how that? What's on
Yeah, Shumzagirl everywhere in our Shumzagirl.
Shumzagirl.
TikTok.
Shumzagirl. We just pass our practice.
Shumzagirl.
I don't know practice. Come start the Yeah, so okay, so then on le upcoming event no tlo bona ka di one e tla ba ile go indaba. So go indaba go dimeletse batho ka mogara ka ta batla ba go bona o it's only for an organized event.
It's organized. It's organized. So
It's an organized event. So I don't know guys, but
Not allowed.
Mama like still is Santani di tlotla tse di.
na ke ne ya indaba.
So, first Zimbabwe. No, so Zimbabwe.
Ke ka indaba.
Zimbabwe. Kapwaya.
Ene ya indaba. Okay guys, na le Shumza o tia Koriana ke ngwana na la tseba it's a rare go bone motho wa mosadi a shapa Koriana. La tlotse Koriana e tapa shapa ke wanta.
Yeah,
And
but any instrument, like, remember instrument.
Exactly. So I'm supporting this upcoming artist here in Aikile. But really to an artist.
Exactly.
You know it's already there.
Yes.
Yeah, you know it's already there. It's not upcoming. It's already artist. You know what the shoe, what the shapa Ariing. You know Ariing re go pina gawe. Ka fela mo Spotify, YouTube, everywhere is there. So then lo eno go no go rena ba re ya kae.
Re tsamayeng ka.
Yeah, no tsamaya. So area mo Ariing no re ka ya.
Sharp, it's a good question.
Yeah.
Sharp. So no be curious.
Yeah.
One day.
Somos Ariing, we got to na ya kae ka re ile bara. Re o setse morao re Ariing, nna re got to na ya kae.
Yeah, cause ke yona like e bolela ka gona as Basotho. Okay. Ona like re le Basotho re tshwanela hore re supportaneng, like we must conquer this world, like here everywhere we leng hore we re hloka lorete, more especially if we support.
Yeah.
If we support, we can go far.
Bana ba thabeng so support.
Re supportaneng.
Support is everything.
Support is everything because you can't achieve anything, you know,
Don't support.
don't support each other.
Yeah, that's true. Problem na batho ba bantsho. Go gore re nyaka go tsheta dilo tse dingwe tsa gore tsa sekgowa go bala. Jeno gore wa opela ka leno mela ka you don't have to translate. You want to tell it our enjoy.
Well, understand the same time.
I can't want to just bela ke shipela go opela ka setshana. So one should do so ne go tshetse ngwa so go ga ke so ska bo complicated dilo to o tshwaneng go se ba bana go shang go se sikelele ta go Africans o tshwaneng gore di fair pattern so fair that's complicated.
So in general, that's Kiona feel like you belong like we must support each other, most especially as black people, not even Basotho like but it's only the support their name because as you see, white people have a time they're supporting each other and they make it. So
and they make it very easy because
you know we like support. I think that's the
and I'm played.
Yeah.
I want to put it in one of the support and get a local. Africans were too much.
But is it a factor who we like support or it's jealousy at some point?
This like
I don't know, a mixture of
this like
okay,
let's go for example. They can go for example, go for offline. It's offline example. Yeah, so guys, ke bona ka re na kwa rena e fitla mo gore ka tsentse re bona re alaela ha rena go na mara that too long ka re le ngola question paper ya accounting but it's a question paper accounting in 3 hours. Yeah, guys, please, man, really, just keep on subscribe, share, and over to Makelwan, one an African Tipsy. Please check them. When you go Sarah, just visit our podcast or our YouTube channels, and then see what now what dragai. Lo ano to bona ora. Stressa de pampas existinya. Pampas revela kwa ufa sei. Pampas. Go fast like pampas. Fast. So please subscribe, like, share,
please.
comment. TikTok, remote TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, kakai, le anam kam karona. So I want to know the name one. Repair the one, the more I want to go fit Luena. If I want to go to the Shumza or when I go fit on podcasting, just comment or WhatsApp line, everything is there. Just please raise your hands over to our one. Yeah, so then go
Goodbye.
I get to what you can like. Okay. Shumzagirl. Shape country. Shape can mean at all.
Coming with smile, yeah, wave you like a priest. Getting motivated, yeah, always in the front. Wanna make it, it's a great roll of China. Chuto kili said, yeah, buy a buy, it's like it's an agapito, imagine, boo, there's no peace.